Hello friends, I want to share with you the idea of how to make a big-eyed rabbit. I use an 18-inch bobo balloon and first I pre-inflate it. Now I put two black 5-inch balloons inside. This will be the eyes. I inflate each balloon with two pumps. I pre-inflated 12-inch white balloon to check it for defects. Now I put a white balloon inside bobo balloon, inflate it to its full size and form a head with eyes. Please pay attention to the knots of the black balloons. I arrange them symmetrically. Now the ears and paws. In a white 12-inch balloon I put a black mandarin balloon, size 260. Next I inflate white balloon and then I inflate a black mandarin balloon with 3.5 pumps and form an ear. That elements should be 2. I make the puffs in the same way, only I inflate the black balloon for modeling with 2 pumps. Now legs. A white 5-inch balloon I inflate with 2 pumps, and I divide it in half, fix it with the tail of the same balloon. I make 2 such parts and twist them together. I stretch the tail of the bobo balloon and fix it to the cluster. I glue other parts using glue dots. Now I'm add some more decor. Now I inflate a green modeling balloon size 160 with 7 pumps. I make 5 loops the size of 3 fingers each. I didn't have enough inflated balloon, so I cut it off from the back and inflate it a little. Now I make 3 pinch twists on the one side of the flower and 1 pinch twist on the other. Now I can say that I distribute the pressure until I get the perfect flower. I fix 2 flowers on a floral wire. I fix the flowers with the tape and glue them to the bunny with the hot glue gun. I use a low temperature glue gun with a power of up to 20 watts. Everything is ready. I am pleased to be with you.